Today, we're delving into the enigmatic realm of black holes. Picture a star so massive and dense that even light cannot escape its grasp. That's a black hole for you. These cosmic behemoths are the remnants of colossal stars that have met their explosive end. Encircling the black hole is the event horizon, a point of no return where gravity reigns supreme. The intense gravitational pull near a black hole can distort space and time, leading to mind-bending phenomena like time dilation. From stellar mass black holes born from dying stars to supermassive black holes lurking at the hearts of galaxies, these celestial entities come in various sizes and masses. While we can't directly see black holes, we can detect their presence through the gravitational dance they perform with surrounding matter. Despite their mysteries, ongoing advancements in technology and observation methods continue to unveil the secrets of these captivating cosmic wonders.